this is at the beginning, like this two are my original proposal for this design in between of two townhouses. So like between these two, I chose this one as my final approach, which is connecting two sets of individual space and create this two sets of continuity, but continuous space, but they're isolated from each other. And like from this diagram, you can see like this part and this part, they're like connecting by some set of rule, and this three part is connecting by another set of rule, and they're like interlocked with each other, but they're not interact with each other at all. So these two are my clients. So one is a former basketball player, and he's right now writing a biography about himself. So he needs two space. One is a gym and a basketball court. Another one is a writing studio, and the other one is a female accounting, and she needs an office which has the access to the street and also a yoga studio. So based on their requires, I create this this model. This one is only the circulation diagram. So like in this circulation diagram, I use different head to show the pathway for these two people. Their pathway is individually developed, and they all have like their like when they get to their room, they don't have to meet with each other, like except in like this room. And this room here is like the public space. One is more opened up, is for like a living room, and one like here is more private, is using for changing room or like the bathroom. So here, like this part will be like the straight. So like from this staircase, like the female could get to her office, which located here, and then like she could go into this living room, and through this pathway which hides behind this bathroom, like she could get onto this rooftop here, and which I set up for her yoga studio. And then like for this former basketball player, he will get to his basketball court first from the street entrance and go down here, and then like get to his basketball court, which located on the basement of this structure. And then he could go upstairs here, and then enter either the living room or go to the bathroom. And then like from this completely closed up staircase space, he will get to his writing studio, which is up there. Next. So like here would be my pen. So next. And this is my section next. And like this is a physical model. So like this one will be like the section. So this will be the staircase space, and this one will be the living room. And through this door back there is the accountant's office, and this part here will be the bathroom. And this staircase goes up to the female's yoga studio. So this is another view. So like this will be straight access, and right here is the female's accounting office.
But where's the yoga studio?
It's up here.
Outside?
Yeah, it's open to the air.
On the day like today?
Right here. Yeah, and like because this former basketball player's writing studio is on top. It's partially on top of the yoga studio is like cantilever out of. So like this part could work as a sun shield and or like rain shield for this yoga studio. Next. So like in this model, this one was the complete one due to last Monday. So this wood stick are acting as another system which they're gonna interacting with my surface material system. In my concept, I mentioned there would be two sets of space. They're like continuity inside of the space system, but isolated from each other side. So, but like as I proceed, as I develop this project, these two interlocking set of space became two sets of material system. So like this wood stick system is going all the way from the street to the backyard. They're like moving continuously as a closure to those open space, and because as I go so far, like they become a system that creating a surface that could let the sun come in. So the wood system also represents the part that also represents the space that is like partially public that could that people could see through. And the system of the museum board, they become they start to represent the space where like it's more close up and it's more private. For example, like the bathroom here and like the writing studio up there, and those moments that the museum board is like poking through this wood system is a moment that like I took from my original model, where there is like two material they like poking through each other, and also like I need to go back to the section one. So if you see in the section, this thick line which go in this, which show in this diagram, it is they're the museum board. They're like the surface system is like this poking through the wood stick system, which is right here. And like up here is like poking through this way through this wood stick system, which was right here, and this museum board system here is poking through the wood stick system, which originally here and goes up here. So it's like this interacting between two material system, and like the continuity of this surface material system.
I have a question. Do you have a diagram to show that two different materials, how they come together?
Like you can see that partially from the plan, like those lines represent my stick system. So they're like all going one direction from the street to the backyard. They're like proceed continuously and all the way through the back. And in the middle of their in the middle there is like museum boards, like the surface material system poking through this wood stick system.
Do you have a diagram that shows the interconnectivity between the two systems?
That could be seen from my section, like, for example, like the wood stick that go here.
I don't mean the materials section. I mean, like in terms of the system. You have two systems.
Yeah.
Do you have any diagram that shows?
No, I don't think so.
So where can you show us the interlocking space?
The interlocking space was the original proposal from the beginning, but as I proceed this development, my concept become more as this
Two independent systems.
Yeah, two
with
independent system, but like they're like one system is poking through the other system, and they're creating, but like they're both go in a continuous pathway, but like there's moment where they intersect.
I get the idea of yours. I think that if without looking at the model, how can I directly see that how two systems that goes together?
There isn't a diagram about that yet, but I will.
But your model is clearly showing, I think.
But for diagram, I didn't make a diagram about that yet.
Any questions? What did you learn from your project?
I think what I learned is like how I could integrate the architectural element, the selected architectural element into one system, and other group of selected architectural elements into another system. For example, like where this, like in terms of space, where there should be close up, where the space needs to be close up, I integrate them into this museum board system. And for like the space that could be showed either from the street or like up on the roof, I integrate them into another system. So like there's so like each space, like I mean like this model is like at the end is like made up by two continuously going system. Either one is like close up, one is like public. Yeah.
I hate everything about this because it's so Japanese.
Yeah, I know you're a Japanese homo.
Okay, are you done?
Yeah.
Good job. Boy, both of you